Smartphones are being replaced, and most people don't even see it coming. These new AI smart glasses are changing everything in 2025. From real-time translation to virtual screens and hands-free control, the future is no longer in your pocket. It's on your face. XREAL Air 2 Ultra. The XREAL Air 2 Ultra redefines what smart glasses can do in real-world environments. Built for creators and developers, it features dual 3D cameras, spatial computing, and a sleek AR interface that responds to your surroundings. With advanced inside-out tracking, you can use hand gestures, head movement, and intuitive controls. No phone or controller required. Its AI engine can recognize objects, map environments, and support multitasking apps in mixed reality. Whether you're designing 3D models, watching holograms, or navigating hands-free, these glasses deliver a powerful and immersive experience in a lightweight frame. The Air 2 Ultra is a serious step toward replacing traditional screens for good. Lenovo ThinkReality A3. The Lenovo ThinkReality A3 is a powerful AR smart glasses system originally built for professionals, but now popular among everyday users in 2025. It features dual 1080p displays capable of projecting up to 5 virtual monitors, ideal for multitasking, coding, video editing, or stock tracking. Its standout feature is AI-powered context awareness, which recognizes your workspace, adjusts layouts, and recommends productivity tools based on your activity. Compatible with PCs and Motorola smartphones, it seamlessly shifts between desktop and mobile use. Lightweight, secure, and immersive, the ThinkReality A3 transforms your surroundings into a dynamic digital workspace, bringing AR multitasking out of the boardroom and into your everyday life. TCL NextTear S Plus. The TCL NextTear S Plus offers a cinematic experience through a massive 215-inch virtual screen, delivered via micro OLED Full HD displays. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or reading emails, everything appears immersive and private, right in front of your eyes. These lightweight smart glasses connect to smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles, replacing traditional screens without the bulk. The 2025 version includes AI-powered features like content optimization and adaptive brightness for enhanced viewing in any environment. While it lacks advanced voice controls, the NextTear S Plus proves how AI and wearable tech are merging to create portable, personal entertainment and productivity hubs on the go. Rokid Max 2. The Rokid Max 2 brings high-performance AR to your daily life with a lightweight 75-gram design and a stunning 215-inch virtual display. Featuring dual 1080p micro OLED panels, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 600 nits brightness, it delivers ultra-sharp, fluid visuals. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, and PCs, it's built for both entertainment and productivity. Its AI-powered interface supports voice control, head tracking, and seamless app switching, making multitasking effortless. Whether you're streaming on the move or setting up a virtual workspace anywhere, the Rokid Max 2 combines futuristic functionality with portability, proving that serious power can come in a small, wearable package. Meta Rayban Smart Glasses. Meta's Rayban Smart Glasses, 2025 edition, go far beyond fashion. They're now packed with serious AI capabilities. Integrated with Meta AI, these glasses respond to natural voice commands, letting you ask questions, get directions, or identify objects. No phone needed. Built-in cameras enable hands-free photo and video capture, with instant live streaming to Facebook or Instagram. Open-ear audio keeps you connected to your environment while listening to replies or music. They also support real-time translation and AI-powered scene recognition. Designed as a digital assistant you wear, Meta's latest smart glasses are shaping the future of mobile tech. One where screens disappear and intelligence is always in sight. INMO Air 2. The INMO Air 2 is a sleek, lightweight AR smart glasses system that functions entirely on its own. No phone or external device required. Running on Android OS with a built-in processor, battery, and storage, it lets you make calls, browse the web, navigate with GPS, and check the weather. all right in your field of view. Its AI-powered interface responds to both voice and touch, while gesture recognition and a sharp display make interactions seamless. Designed for commuting, workouts, or daily multitasking, the INMO Air 2 delivers a truly independent AR experience, pushing the boundaries of what standalone smart eyewear can achieve in 2025. Rayo Air 2. The Rayo Air 2 smart glasses deliver a powerful mix of immersive visuals, lightweight design, and smart features. Using Sony Micro OLED displays, they project a massive 2.1-inch virtual screen at a 6-meter distance, perfect for gaming, streaming, or remote work. Weighing just 76 grams, they're built for all-day comfort and portability. A standout feature is their dual display calibration, which ensures each eye receives optimal color and contrast. AI enhancements boost video quality, auto-adjust brightness, and fine-tune audio via open-ear speakers. Compatible with smartphones, laptops, and game consoles through USB-C, the Rayo Air 2 transforms any environment into a private AR theater or productivity hub. It's where premium display tech meets real-world usability. XREAL 1. The XREAL 1 is a next-gen AR smart glasses built specifically for everyday consumers, making a major impact in 2025. Unlike standard models that only display screens, it features advanced spatial computing for real-world object tracking, gesture control, and 3D interface interactions. Its custom optical engine delivers bright, immersive visuals while maintaining a lightweight, wearable design. The onboard AI recognizes environments and automatically adjusts overlays for tasks like work, gaming, or navigation. It also supports multi-app multitasking, allowing you to access notifications, media, and tools simultaneously in your visual space. More than just a screen replacement, the XREAL 1 is redefining how we interact with digital content, aiming to become your primary interface for everything. Viture Pro XR glasses. The Viture Pro XR glasses are designed for gamers, multitaskers, and digital nomads who want console-level performance on the go. Featuring full HD micro OLED displays and a 135-inch virtual screen effect, they deliver a premium, immersive viewing experience, like wearing a portable gaming monitor. A standout feature is the built-in electrochromic film, which auto-adjusts tint levels for optimal clarity in any lighting, indoors or outdoors. AI enhancements such as dynamic resolution scaling and audio optimization ensure smooth visuals and crisp sound. Compatible with Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, smartphones, and cloud gaming platforms, the Viture Pro XR seamlessly blends high-end hardware with smart functionality. It's a future-ready solution for mobile entertainment and productivity, all in one sleek wearable. Sightful Spacetop G1. The Sightful Spacetop G1 is more than just smart glasses. It's a full laptop replacement with no physical screen. It combines a keyboard base with custom AR glasses that project a massive 100-inch virtual workspace directly in front of you. You can open browsers, apps, and documents just like on a traditional laptop, but everything floats in midair. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip and running the custom Spacetop OS, it's built for remote workers and digital nomads. Its AI-enhanced interface supports gesture control, spatial app placement, and real-time environmental adjustments. Compact, private, and futuristic, the Spacetop G1 proves that in 2025, your next computer could be entirely screenless, powered by a lightweight pair of smart AR glasses. And there you have it, 10 groundbreaking AI smart glasses that aren't just futuristic concepts. They're here now and already reshaping how we interact with the digital world. From full-screen AR workstations to glasses that recognize your surroundings, translate languages in real time, and even replace your smartphone entirely. 2025 is shaping up to be the year where the screen leaves your pocket and lands right on your face. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, a remote worker, or just a tech enthusiast, there's something in this new wave of wearable AI that will completely change how you work, play, and connect. These aren't just gadgets. They're the beginning of a post-smartphone era where digital experiences are more immersive, hands-free, and seamlessly integrated into daily life. So which one blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you'd actually wear. If you found this video helpful or just mind-blowing, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more future tech updates. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's looking right back at you through a smart pair of glasses.